Imagine a world where machines can understand us, even outthink us. AI started with simple tasks, but today, it's rapidly expanding into areas once thought impossible. From self-driving cars to advanced diagnostics in healthcare, AI is transforming every aspect of life. But as we explore these advancements, we need to ask, will AI serve humanity or redefine what it means to be human? Autonomous cars, delivery drones, and even self-driving ships are reshaping how we think about transportation. Imagine a future where cities are quieter, roads are safer, and transportation is fully automated. But this raises new questions. Millions of driving jobs could disappear. And when faced with a choice, like a pedestrian in danger, who does the car protect, the passenger or the pedestrian? As convenient as it may be, automation challenges our sense of control and security on the road. AI is revolutionizing healthcare, from personalized medicine that targets your unique genetic code to robotic surgeries that minimize human error. Imagine AI diagnosing diseases before symptoms even appear. It could change mental health support too, with AI offering tailored, emotional guidance. But with every advancement comes a cost. Do we trust robots to perform our surgeries? And who controls our health data? The promise of AI in medicine is profound, but it demands we confront privacy and access issues that could shape the future of healthcare. AI is entering the world of art, creating music, movies, and digital masterpieces that were once exclusive to human creativity. Imagine personalized films and stories crafted by AI, tailored exactly to your tastes. But what happens to the value of art when anyone can create it instantly? And as AI makes it harder to tell truth from fiction, we face new challenges in verifying what's real. AI may democratize art, but it could also dilute what makes it uniquely human. Imagine an AI assistant that doesn't just respond to commands, but knows your daily habits, your preferences, and even your moods. It can remind you to drink water, give emotional support, and curate your digital life. But if this AI is constantly watching and learning, what happens to your privacy? Could you trust an AI that knows you better than you know yourself? As AI assistants grow more intuitive, we'll have to decide how close is too close. AI in law enforcement is advancing with predictive policing, smart cameras, and real-time surveillance. On one hand, it could improve public safety, predicting crimes before they happen. But is it worth the cost to privacy and personal freedom? A society under constant surveillance could feel safe, but also suffocating. In the pursuit of security, we must ask, how much privacy are we willing to give up? Automation is reshaping the workforce. Robots are taking over repetitive tasks in factories, and AI is learning to handle more complex jobs, from customer service to content creation. Some experts envision a future with universal basic income, where work isn't a necessity, but a choice. But as jobs disappear, will we find new purpose or struggle to redefine our roles in society? The automation of work forces us to rethink what gives life meaning when traditional work is no longer part of it. Education is evolving with AI-powered tutors and personalized learning paths. Imagine students downloading knowledge directly to their brains, bypassing years of schooling. But what happens to curiosity, exploration, and the joy of learning? And if only some can afford AI-enhanced education, will we create a society of intellectual inequality? AI in education could unlock new potential, but it challenges the very foundation of how we learn and grow. AI could become our partner in protecting the planet, from optimizing energy use to tracking endangered species. Imagine a world where AI monitors pollution, manages wildlife, and helps reverse climate change. Yet, if we become too dependent, will we lose sight of our own responsibility? Can technology alone safeguard our environment, or is it up to us to take action? AI can support sustainability, but it's a tool, not a substitute for human effort. As AI becomes a central part of life, it raises profound questions about human identity. Imagine merging with AI, uploading consciousness, or even achieving digital immortality. But at what point does AI become more than just a tool? When we let AI shape our thoughts, actions, and identities, will we still be human? This is the challenge of coexistence with AI, to keep our humanity intact while embracing the future. What excites or worries you most about AI? Join the conversation in the comments below and let us know your thoughts. Together, we'll explore what the future holds as AI continues to change our world.